Q2 Skin Analyzer Interface Explanation Teaching Video, Spectral Image, Multispectral Image Analysis. The Intelligent Skin Measurement Interface selects a mode to capture a 180 degrees full face at once. The upper right corner can switch facial images from different angles with one click, freely switch quantitative indicators data of different dimensions of the face in the same file, and also view corresponding product solutions. White light detects visible issues with the naked eye, such as skin color, surface pigmentation, acne, wrinkles, and pores. Parallel polarized light enhances the optical reflection of the skin surface and can detect sebum and skin texture. Cross-polarized light. By using a cross-polarized light mirror group, the direct reflected light is reduced, which can detect surface sensitivity, red blood streaks, and acne scars on the skin. UV light. At a wavelength of 365 nanometers, it can detect skin features such as metabolic spots, residual acne scars, and deep pigmentation in the deep layers of the skin. Blue light. At a wavelength of 405 nanometers, states such as sebum secretion, deep acne, porphyrin, and bacterial distribution can be observed. Woos light, a special medical wavelength light source that can detect deep-seated pigmented lesions, pigmentation, and depigmentation in the skin. It can also detect the presence of fluorescent agents and heavy metal residues in the skin. Erythrocin map. It is a composite spectral map analyzed by AI intelligence combined with algorithms, mainly used to detect deep skin sensitivity, red blood streaks, and deep inflammation. Thermogram, composite spectrogram, mainly used to detect areas of increased hemoglobin in the deep layers of the skin, as well as inflammation in the deep layers of the skin. Skin analysis, detecting 18 indicators across 9 dimensions. Each indicator can be switched with one click in the upper right corner of the image to view the quantitative result data of the left, right, and right faces. Sebum. It is divided into sebum T-zone and sebum U-zone. The yellow zone represents the quantified area of sebum secretion. The darker the yellow color, the more sebum is secreted, and the lighter the color, the less sebum is secreted. The proportion area is the area of sebum on the face, and the depth of sebum color represents a higher sebum density, indicating a higher sebum secretion. Quantitative indicators are divided into 5 levels, with level I green representing normal skin condition, level 2 blue representing skin condition preference, level 3 yellow representing skin condition warning requiring strengthened care, level 4 orange representing targeted care for skin condition deviation, and level V red representing poor skin condition requiring targeted treatment. Except for sebum, skin color, and water content, other indicators are explained according to these 5 levels. Sebum 1 and 2 represent low sebum secretion, 3 represents normal sebum secretion, and 4 and V represent high sebum secretion. Each indicator has quantitative problem analysis, precautions, and nursing recommendation plans. The recommended plan will display the nursing plan corresponding to the indicator level. Expand all to view other levels of care plans. The backend can input products and nursing items, primary nursing, intermediate nursing, advanced nursing. You can scan the QR code on your phone to view the report, or use a computer to access it through the backend website and connect to a printer to print the comprehensive report. Wrinkles. Use RGB white light to capture visible wrinkles with the naked eye. Quantify wrinkles in 6 areas on the front face: forehead wrinkles, nasolabial folds, eye wrinkles, nose wrinkles, nasolabial folds, and mouth wrinkles. And quantify eye wrinkles and crow's feet on the side face. The line area is the wrinkle quantification area, with red lines representing severe wrinkles, yellow representing moderate wrinkles, and green representing mild wrinkles. The quantification results of wrinkles quantify the severity of wrinkles from multiple dimensions such as grade, number of wrinkles, depth, and proportion of area. You can see the overall quantification of wrinkles, as well as the quantification of wrinkles in individual parts. Skin texture. Areas with uneven texture represent fine lines on the skin, indicating a lack of hydration and collagen. Comparison. Wrinkles and skin texture can be compared for viewing. Aging trend chart. Simulate and predict the state of the skin after 5 to 10 years of aging, and compare it with the state chart after product care, giving customers a sense of crisis. Stain, visible to the naked eye, the green marked area is the quantified area, and the level, proportion area, and number of surface stains are quantified through AI algorithms. Metabolic spot. It is a spot that has detached from the basal layer, but has not metabolized to the stratum corneum. The black dots represent metabolic spots, and the level, proportion area, and number of deep, metabolic spots can also be viewed. Pigments. Pigmentation in the basal layer can be quantified through brown images, and the level, proportion area, and quantity of deep pigments can be quantified through AI algorithms. Color spots, metabolic spots, and pigmentation on the side of the face can be easily switched between left and right facial images with just one click in the upper right corner, achieving precise and targeted care for color fading. Comparison, color spots, metabolic spots, pigments, comparison of color spots at different skin layers, comparison of color spots with granular layer and spinous layer metabolic spots, comparison of color spots with basal layer pigments. Color spot trend chart. RBX image analysis technology can clearly see the distribution and accumulation of melanin in the skin from epidermis to dermis, which is helpful for us to judge the trend and potential problems of pigmentation in the next 5 to 10 years. Pores. Circles are a quantitative representation of enlarged pores, with red representing severely enlarged pores, yellow representing moderate pores, and green representing mild pores. AI algorithms are used to identify the number and level of pores and quantify the results. Blackheads. AI algorithm is used to accurately reflect blackheads in the nose area according to the image. The black dot area is the blackhead quantification area, and the AI algorithm quantifies the number and level of blackheads. Comparison and viewing of pore and blackhead details. Pore trend chart. Through reinforcement learning techniques, a large amount of high-quality image data is used to train an algorithm model and implement superpixel technology. The areas in the image, circular dots, small diameter, are the areas of pore expansion. It is beneficial for us to judge the trend and potential problems of pores. Acne. The green, yellow, orange, and red marked boxes visible to the naked eye are the quantified areas of acne. The number of acne cases is quantified based on the number of boxes. Green label box acne, acne scars, partial rosacea, yellow marker box, papules, inflammation, orange marker box, pustular acne, red marker box, cysts, nodular acne. Porphyrin. The bright red fluorescent dots represent the quantitative expression of porphyrin, which is a metabolite of bacteria in pores. The higher the content of porphyrin, the easier it may be for bacteria to grow. AI algorithm quantifies the number and grade of porphyrins. Skin color, a quantitative level indicator obtained by quantitatively analyzing the characteristics of the skin color of yellow people under natural light for 5 types of skin color. Grade 1, translucent, Grade 2, fair, Grade 3, uneven skin tone, Grade 4, dull, Grade 5, dark. Sensitivity. The sensitivity, redness, and acne scars on the surface of the skin are quantified using AI algorithms to determine the proportion and density of sensitive features on the surface of the skin. Darker colors represent more severe sensitivity. Some sensitive or red blood streaks, as well as acne scars and skin lesions on the side of the face, cannot be fully viewed on the front face. You can switch to the side face indicator image. Accurate and scientific targeted nursing can be achieved. Red pigment chart, deep sensitivity, can see acne scars, skin lesions, and red blood streaks. The sensitive area appears as dark red dots, networks, irregular blocks, or flakes. Characteristics of red blood streaks, dots, lines, webs, and blocks. Characteristics of acne scars and skin lesions, punctate, with clear boundaries. Deep sensitivity features, irregular block-like or patchy. Heat map, deep skin inflammation, marked by 4 different colors to indicate areas of varying levels of hemoglobin, with areas of hemoglobin accumulation representing inflammation. Green, mild inflammation, yellow, moderate inflammation, red, severe inflammation. Comparison, surface sensitivity, and deep inflammation can be compared and examined. Sensitivity trend chart. This chart is obtained by the algorithm through cross-polarized light image processing. mainly showing the distribution of red pigments in the superficial layer of the skin. It can increase the hidden symptoms of capillary dilation, sensitivity, inflammation, and red blood streaks in the skin. The visual contrast effect is stronger, which is conducive to judging the sensitivity trend and potential problems in the next 5 to 10 years. Fluorescent agents are observed through UV light, while heavy metals are observed through UV light. Characteristics of fluorescent agents: large area white fluorescence reaction, characteristics of heavy metal expression, distinguished by bright colors, but very few people have it, without algorithmic quantification, which can be analyzed by looking at the picture. Moisture, detect skin moisture content. The smaller the value, the lower the skin moisture content, and the larger the value, the higher the skin moisture content. A skin moisture content of 40% is normal, while a moisture content below 40% is considered dehydrated. Skin classification. Baumann skin classification is adopted, which accurately quantifies 4 dimensions of skin classification through professional skin theory algorithms, and can be classified into 16 types. Based on comprehensive data analysis of dryness/oiliness, tolerance/sensitivity, pigmentary/non-pigmentary, wrinkle/firmness, corresponding skin types are determined. Moreover, it is normal for the skin on the side face and front face to have different types, as the severity of skin indicators within the detected facial range varies. Key points of skin care: comprehensive report on recommended care plans, customers' basic information, comprehensive report indicator level, comprehensive skin test results. The text description of the skin test instrument analysis results can be edited and modified. The recommended plan will display the nursing plan corresponding to the indicator level. Expand all to view other levels of care plans. The backend can input products and nursing items: primary nursing, intermediate nursing, advanced nursing. You can scan the QR code on your phone to view the report, or use a computer to access it through the backend website and connect to a printer to print the comprehensive report. Comparative analysis. Compare the efficacy of products and projects before and after nursing and treatment courses. Quantitative graph, pattern graph, data graph, multidimensional graph. Quantitative chart. Compare the percentage difference between each indicator chart and the quantitative data. Pattern diagram. Comparing the differences between surface spectra and deep spectra at different time periods. Quantitative and pattern diagrams can be compared by drawing lines, triangles, rectangles, grids, and zooming in. Once drawn, they can be deleted without the need for positioning. The first developed data chart, comparing the differences in overall skincare efficacy at different time periods. For the same customer profile, the data chart can view the skin test results from the past 3 months to the past year or all of them. For wrinkles, pigmentation, pores, acne, sensitivity, the data curve chart can be viewed, or the comparison data curve chart of the same latitude indicators can be viewed. Multidimensional chart. You can view the comparison of spectra from the past 3 months to the past year or all spectra. In the toolbar of the pattern diagram, you can add cases, edit case content, and classify them by acne, sensitivity, pigmentation, and aging. After successful addition, check the case management in the case store management. Customer profile. Profile management. Registered customers can search for membership information by phone and name. Registered customers will have their photos taken from their profile in the future. Select customer to view skin test records. You can directly enter the comparative analysis or the intelligent skin testing interface. The same customer can click on the secondary detection point auxiliary button. When taking photos, only a single face was captured in the report. You can click on the logo icon of the small camera to reshoot the images of the other 2 faces. After reshoot, it supports one-click switching of the full face skin test results in the report, without the need to rebuild the file, which is convenient and fast. Store management, case management, watermark settings, recycle bin. Case management. Collect comparison pictures before and after care for acne, sensitivity, pigmentation, aging, and other conditions. Can independently edit images for convenient customer reference. The comparative case diagram can be obtained by scanning the QR code. Watermark setting. The watermark setting function can add personalized identifiers to case images and prevent others from stealing them. Recycle bin and backup functions can effectively prevent data loss. When a user accidentally deletes a customer profile, it can be retrieved in the recycle bin with a validity period of 3 months. Account settings, single item numerical reference. Customer single item detection indicator data can be modified for adjustment after taking photos. After adjustment, it needs to be saved for comparative analysis. Single item pre-adjustment. It is possible to modify the customer's single item detection indicator data for adjusting the previous set of data before taking photos. Comparative analysis can be used for this purpose. Hidden settings, skin analysis indicators that do not require detection can be hidden. After hiding, it will not appear again during detection. You can open it again when needed. After selecting, you need to confirm the modifications. Change password. You can change your account password by following the prompts in sequence. Software upgrade. Click on the logo or blank space in the top left corner to enter the software version upgrade interface. Click to download and install the software. Log out of the account and close the app.